And now let's go to the smaller one. This one. This is also Voltes 5. Ito naman, compared doon, yung mukha niya is natatanggal. And then, ayan. Front, side, back, bottom, top. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung nakalagay dito sa likod. Pero mas may sense yung likod nito compared kay dito sa larger scale. Kasi, titingnan ninyo, ito yung wheels ng sasakyan ni Big Bird. So, articulation-wise, ito nagagalaw to. Yan, back and forth. Walang articulation sa knees. Yung ankle, namumove mo siya 360. Same goes with this one. Ang weapon nitong smaller scale na Voltes 5, actually itong naputol na to, it's actually a whip. So, hindi ko na makita yung ano to, yung other part. But this is actually a whip. And yan, articulation, yan. 360, naro-rotate to. Ito, 360 rin. Hindi na natin rotate kasi masisira. This one as well, articulated. Similar na articulation sila. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila mostly is yung dito sa leg movement. Itong isa, mas na-move mo siyang forwards and backwards. This one, it's stuck here dito sa sa pelvis. So, nakastuck lang siya doon. Kaya hindi mo siya masyadong ma-move forwards and backwards. I could say na pareho silang maganda, okay na para sa mga 90s kid na addict or fan ng Voltes 5 noon. Pero mas show accurate yung itsura nito, yung feel and itsura nito kesa dito.